Hey everybody, this is CynicQAnon here with a short install video for RAM cards. These are Vengeance RGB PRO cards. Each of them are 8 gigs of RAM for a pair of 16 gigs of RAM total. Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO cards are available on Amazon. They'll be shipped to your house promptly if you have Prime. And I wanted to add to my current 16 for a total of 32 RAMs of space. Yeah! Because I want to play a game and stream it at the same time. I need all of that and more. This is a very simple way to plug in more memory. It is plug and play. So just take it, slots 1 and 3 here shown on the screen, and push these little sons of a gun inwards, and you'll get them activated and playing and going and ready to go. If you have 2 slots, it doesn't matter. Put them anywhere. If you have 4 slots, make sure you stagger them. If you only have a pair, 1 and 3, 2 and 4. And if you have 4, doesn't matter. Put them all in all the slots because that's what you're going to get anyway. Make sure all of the cards match up, same model, same brand. Otherwise, you might have an issue when you boot it up in the BIOS to get it set up and running. And it's pretty simple. There are 2 locking mechanisms, one on the top and the bottom. These are made of a cheap plastic lever. Make sure you're careful when unlocking them. If you want to use a tool, you can, but be gentle with it. Don't be too tough. And then you're going to push these in. There are 2 sets of teeth. One is long, one is short. Make sure they're aligned with the slots themselves. When you push it in, the upper part first until you hear the click sound from the locking mechanism, and then push the bottom part in until you hear that click sound again, and you're good to go, and your teeth and your RAM are gonna be chomping at the bit. No pun intended. But that's it. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll come back later to sum it up.
For light speed. No, light speed is too slow. Light speed too slow? Yes, we're gonna have to go right to ludicrous speed. Ludicrous speed? Sir, we've never gone that fast before. I don't know if the ship can take us. What's the matter, Colonel Sanders? Chicken? Ludicrous speed! Go!
And that's it. Pretty simple install. Looks beautiful. All 4 are in there and good to go. You're going to boot up, press F1 to run the setup in the BIOS. Then you're going to see this screen. Click on overclock settings. Go to DRAM setting. Make sure it's 8-XMP enabled, and you're set and ready to go. Thanks a lot, guys. See you all in the next video.